Hello YouTube, so you join me at night. Yeah, there you go, street lamps and everything. Well, this is probably not the ideal time to do a video, but this is the time I've got. So, today, these little beauties came. So these are projector lights for the doors. So this car, let me just shut and open the door, you'll see, has lights, and these lights are, there you go, underneath the door itself. So there's a standard Audi lights, and what I'm going to do is change them for these. So let's get on with it. So first thing we have to do, screwdriver in the back there. And you'll hear lots of creaks, lots of bangs, lots of cracks, and chances are you're going to actually crack some of the plastic as well. But as we're not going to be using these again, it doesn't matter too much. Should use really trim guards, but screwdriver the hand. So let's do it the bodging way. There we go, just slip that in there, and there's a little clip at the back of this. And it's very difficult holding the torch and doing this at the same time. So that just goes in the back there, and there you go. She pops out, just like that. Now, what you won't be able to see very well is the wire. Now the wire, God knows why Audi did this, it's very, very tight. Very, very tight. So, I don't want to lose the wire up inside the door panel, because I don't really want to take the door panel off. So I'm going to try and just ease it out a little bit. Just enough to unclip it like that. That's what we're looking for. That's good. Right. Now what I've got to do is basically put these spade connectors in where the wire came out, which is easier said than done. So, and this is where doing things in the dark really doesn't pay you dividends at all. Come on, my baby. So that's one in, and that is the other one in, and there we go, we're connected. We'll just put these shrink wraps over there to protect the wires, because I don't want to short. Pop that in there, and then gently tease this into place, just like that. There you go. That's all there is to it. Simple. And the effect you're left with is that. Look at that. I like that. So now each time I open the door, of course it looks a bit crappy on gravel, but that's the effect you get. Okay, let's put the pin on there. There you go. That's what you get each time you open the door now. Excellent. Okay, well, hopefully you learned something for this. I learnt one thing, is I'm really too old to start doing things in the dark, but yeah, it's winter time, what do you expect? Cheers all.